Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in into your Lightning Exchange account. For that, you can either click on the link that is given in the description. It will be the registration link and it will be very easy for you to come on this page. Or what you can do is you can simply open your web browser and search for the website that is called lightcd.com. So once you are on this page, by default you will be on the sign up page, but since we want to log in our account, you will have to just scroll down a bit and click on the option of login. Now over here you need to provide your login credentials that include your phone number and your password that you have used while creating your account on Lightning Exchange. Then if you want this particular browser of yours to remember your account and the password, you will have to check this box and click on the login option over here. Now as soon as you click on the login option, you will be landed in your account where you can basically start investing in cryptos here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.